Creating your own AI on chat app is actually simple and perfect. If you want to build a chatbot for fun, content, or even earning, here are a few steps you have to take. Hi, welcome to GladyTech Fix Earn. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to create your own AI using chat app. So the first step you have to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store and download chat app and install it to your device. Next step is to open it and click on the plus icon here. Having done that, click on create a chat AI. So you just click on continue. So right here you just have to type in the name you want your bot to be. Let's say I want my bot to be a tech helper AI. So just click on the next option here. So just click on the public, not to make it public. Click on continue. So you can upload a particular image that you want it to go with. Click on the gallery option, or if you want to generate, you can generate. Just select a particular image of your choice. So now next thing, you click on the good option at the top. You allow it to be added here. So the next thing, you click on the continue option here. So right here you wait for the first message, or how you want the first conversation to look like. So you can use example like my app is not working. Having done that, you just click on the continue option. So you just click on the publish option here and allow it to publish. If you want to add the description, you can add any short intro in order to describe your AI before you publish it. So guys, this is the AI I just created for myself using the chat app. I hope with this guide you'll be able to create yours. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTech Fix Earn for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.